Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So today's video, very excited because I got one of the two lucky bags from Beautylish that I ordered. Now this is the regular size bag and this, well, it's a box, but it's called the lucky bag. It is the regular size bag. I buy one for my mom every year and I buy her a regular one. I buy myself the extra large because that's the kind of daughter I am. But anyway, so hers already came in and mine is set to be delivered tomorrow. So I'm going to, hers was delivered yesterday and hopefully I'm gonna get this video up the same day. But I did want to reveal, it's not going to be an unboxing because I've already opened it, but I did want to show what's in the lucky bag. So one, if you are waiting for yours, you can see what she got. And then also, if you're maybe considering and you're watching this in the future, what she got. And I did do this last year. And so this is the second year that I've purchased a lucky bag. So let's talk about what the lucky bag is first. Okay, so before I go into what was in the regular lucky bag, let me go ahead and explain what a lucky bag is. So from their website, it says lucky bags are mystery bags of beauty products plus extra surprises if you're really lucky. This year we're offering 4 types of lucky bags. So there is the original lucky bag, which is the one that this is. It's $75 for $150 plus of products. Then there is the lucky bag extra large, which is $150 for $300 plus. Now, that's the one that I got that is coming tomorrow. And then there is the get one, give one, and this is $150. Now this one with the $150, you get free shipping. With the extra large, the shipping is $15, and then with the regular, it's $10. So I really paid $85 for the one I'm unboxing today, and $165 for the extra large. But the buy one, give one, you get free shipping. But you'll pay $150 and receive one original, so you'll get the $75 bag. And we'll donate the other original lucky bag with a value of $150 to Project Glimmer on your behalf. And then the last one is the Jeffree Star Cosmetic Lucky Bag. It's $75 for $150 worth of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I don't use Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so not a problem. So that is just basically it in a nutshell. They go on sale every year, December 26th, the day after Christmas. You do have an opportunity to sign up in advance. And if you sign up in advance, I believe you get an hour ahead of time to able to purchase it. They sell out. They sell out with, I won't say in minutes, but they sell out really quickly. I set an alarm. So I set an alarm for my phone when they went on sale and I was able to get one. And I had to sign up with my mom's email and my email to be able to get that advance purchase. If you only do it with one email and you try to use the other email, it's not going to let you. So you have to do that advance if you're going to do it. And I think the extra large sell out first. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into what is in the box and see how lucky my mom was. Okay, so every lucky bag is pretty similar. It has like this like Chinese New Year. So this is I think for the Lunar New Year. This is what this is regarding. It has this really pretty paper. I'm not gonna go over it too much because I'm sure everybody else does it. And then it does say like, this one was packed by Diana. So I think that's really cool. It was packed by someone personal, but it's a fun bag. It's really done really nicely. So I do like that. So the first product, so I want to say, so she got a total of 8, but really 7 products. I'll explain why in a second. But, and that, again, this was the $75 one. So the first item, which is a value of $29, is the BRIOGEO Hydrate and Repair Scalp and Hair Mask. Now, this says it's a value of $37, but it is $29 on the website. I did verify all these prices, and they all are currently not on sale, full price, so this is their price. So this is $29. But it's 3 products. It's the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, Scalp Revival, and Superfood Hair Mask. So it's 3 different, it's a scalp mask and 2 hair masks. So I've actually used this one before. I have a lot of hair products, but my mom I don't think does. So I'm sure she's gonna use this. It's really nice. I might even steal the Scalp Revival because that's something I would really like. But I think this is a really good, especially if you've never tried BRIOGEO. It's a really good brand. So it's a really nice little gift set. And then if you didn't want it, you could probably re-gift this. So I thought this was good. This isn't necessarily my favorite in the box, but I think it's a good product. Okay, second item is the Good Molecules Glycolic Exfoliating Toner, and this runs for $14. Now, pretty much everybody in a lucky bag gets something Good Molecules. It's pretty much a consistent every year. Pretty much you always get like a Good Molecules product and at least one brush. It could be a set of brushes, of their in-house brushes, or a really good like SONIA G type brush. So Good Molecules, my Good Molecules product for this box is like exfoliating toner. Now last year I got the cleansing oil and I love it. I love it, and honestly I'm still using it because it lasts forever. So I do alternate my cleansers, but it's a really nice really nice product. I really like this. So the exfoliating toner, I think it's a good product. $14, good. It's good if you've never tried, Good Molecules. I think it's really good. So I think this was a good product. Okay, so the next two products are what I was saying, that I got two products, but it's really one. So, and they're both from Mauve Beauty. I think that's what it's called, Mauve Beauty, or M-O-B. I think it's Mauve Beauty, but I've never heard of this brand before, but I did see that pretty much everybody that's gotten a lucky bag this year has pretty much this product, or maybe something else, but most people are getting this particular two products. So the first is the Repurpose Compact. So it comes like this with this little Mauve Beauty thing on the outside. It is a repurposed compact, right? This, and the reason why is because it comes with a blush, and the blush refill is $23, and I received the shade M15, which is plum pink. Well, my mom did. So that is the blush. I've personally never tried it, and so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to try and put it in here. So let's see. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this because I thought it would just maybe slide in, but it doesn't. So anyway, so this is the two products. So it is the blush refill and Plum Pink M15, which I think is a really pretty color, and then the compact to go in it. So I gotta figure that out. Okay, I figured it out. It really wasn't that difficult. It was just, you kind of lift this portion here, put it inside, and then you close it. There's like a little lift here. So I'm not gonna change it because I don't want to break it, but really pretty blush. So the whole value, it's 23 plus 5, so it's 28. And then you have, once you use the blush, if you could, you can switch it out for another color and get a refill. So really nice. I'm gonna leave it like this for my mom, but again, that's $28. So the next product we have is the GOSS, the Essential Lip Pencil in the shade Mauve. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take it out here. Now I have one other lip pencil from GOSS and one other of his lipsticks, and it's a really good brand. I really like it. It's a really pretty. So this is the Mauve. I am not gonna swatch it, but that is the Mauve, really pretty. So I think it's a really pretty color, and what I like is that it goes with the other shade. So the other product, which is the GOSS Luxury Cream Lipstick in the shade Poppy. And again, they go together. So it does feel like whoever put together this lucky bag did so with the conscious of putting a blush, a lipstick, and a lip liner that go together and can be used to create at least one look. So I like that fact that it's not mismatched. So here is the shade. It is the shade Poppy, which again is some sort of pink, but it's a darker pink. Really, really pretty. And I love the GOSS. I only have one, but I really like it. It's also fairly small if you compare. It is a very small, type of, lipstick. And I think it's the magnetic closure, or not magnetic closure. It just clips. Really pretty, really compact. Just a really gorgeous lipstick and a gorgeous lip liner. So this I thought was very, very lucky. It's unlucky if you have a lot of GOSS products, because I think a lot of people got a lip liner and lipstick. But if you don't, it's lucky, because I think this is a really good brand that's probably undiscovered by a lot of people. Okay, I can't remember if I mentioned the prices. The lip pencil is $14, which I think is a really good price for a higher end lip pencil, and then the lipstick runs $28. So really great. So that is the value of those two lip products. Now there's two more products left, and the second to last one is the SONIA G fan brush. This runs $32. Now, love SONIA G. I only have one other SONIA G product, which is the Crease Pro brush that I got in my lucky bag last year. I use it every time I do my eyeshadow. It is by far the best brush. Now, again, this is my mom's. She's not going to be using this. She doesn't apply highlighter. She's not going to be using this. I am definitely keeping this. I will probably swap something out that either I already own or something that I get in my extra large box, which is typically what I do anyway. I switch, you know, kind of create her own box from the two, but she's not going to be using this for highlighter. I don't even think she would know what to do with this, but I'm going to use this. Really, really nice. So very, very excited because again, I have the Crease Pro and this is the Fan Pro. So it's the same line. Totally worth it. Love it. Again, this is $32. Okay, and finally, the last product for this Beautylish Lucky Bag Original. There's always a palette, right? There's always a palette. Some are good, some are not so good, but this year's palette in this lucky bag is the Hindash. It is the Hindash Monochromatic palette, and actually it's the Monochromance palette. And this is the second palette from Hindash. And let's see here, I'll show you. This is what it looks like. This came out last year and it runs $70. Now, I personally was not interested in this, and I can tell you right now, my mom's not gonna use this. She's not gonna know what to do with this. So again, what I depend on, I was kind of hoping she would get a Wayne Goss, because I think Wayne Goss is something that's very, you know, definitely easy, user-friendly, very simple. There's 6 shades, easy. And I did see quite a few people getting Wayne Goss, but we got the Hindash. So again, I will probably see what I get in mine, and we may switch out because this is something she's not going to use. I don't even know how much I will use it, to be honest, but it is something I'm excited to try because it's something different, and I know some people either love it or hate it. It's definitely something different. I do like monochromatic looks. I sometimes do color. So, you know, we'll try it, but this one's $70. And I did see quite a few people get this one as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and recap everything that was in this original lucky bag for 2023. The BRIOGEO Ultimate Hydrate and Repair Hair and Scalp Mask Kit, $29. Good Molecules Glycolic Exfoliating Toner, $14. Mauve Beauty Blush Refill, $23. The Mauve Beauty Repurpose Compact, $5. Wayne Goss Essential Lip Pencil in Mauve, $14. Wayne Goss Luxury Cream Lipstick in Poppy, $28. SONIA G Fan Pro Brush, $32, and the Hindash Monochromance palette, $70, for a grand total of $215. Again, this was a $75 box with the $10 shipping, so I'm going to say it was an $85 box because that's what I paid. They don't charge sales tax, so I kind of did a little bit of math, and that makes everything in this box roughly 60% off if I were to purchase these items. So I think that was a really good deal. I think it was a really good value. And surprisingly, even with my large makeup collection, I don't have nearly what some, you know, YouTubers have, but I don't have any of these products. So like I have the lip, nothing's repeats as far as shades or anything like that. I've never tried Mauve Beauty, and I've never tried Hindash. So, but everything else, I've tried the brand, but I've never tried that product. So that's pretty interesting. And it'll be interesting to see what I get because I'm expecting some duplicates. And usually what we'll do is I'll switch out what I do, and then I give my mom, and she doesn't watch my channel, so I'm not worried about it. But yeah, I thought this was a very good bag. Now, I have seen some other ones that are spectacular. And so this one I don't think is nearly as lucky or special as some of the other ones I've seen, but I think this was a good, solid lucky bag. And as for someone, you know, I think it was good. I think you've got, you know, a good blush, a lip liner, a lipstick, and a good palette that you could even use. You know, you can get a full look out of this box. So I think that was good, and 60% off is good. So I would say all in all, this was a lucky bag. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. This video hopefully will be going up on Monday, January 16th. And the extra large I expect will hopefully, if it gets delivered, will be going up on Wednesday, January 18th. So stay tuned for that. And with that, bye everyone.